Daily Dawn Vocabulary. With Urdu meanings. Meaning, synonyms, antonyms, examples. December 24, 2022. For more upcoming videos, subscribe now our channel. Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning. 1. Predominantly, adverb.
ज़्यादा कुव्वत से, गालिब तौर पर, ज़बरदस्ती से.
Mainly, for the most part. Example, it is predominantly a coastal bird. Synonyms, mainly, mostly, for the most part, chiefly, principally, primarily, predominantly, preponderantly. Antonyms, completely, entirely, fully, perfectly. 2. Rampant, adjective.
वहशियाना, बकसरत, ज़्यादा.
Especially if something unwelcome, flourishing or spreading unchecked. Example, political violence was rampant. Synonyms, uncontrolled, unrestrained, unchecked, unbridled, widespread, pandemic, epidemic. Antonyms, controlled, under control. 3. Enact, verb.
तदवीन करना, फरमान जारी करना, कानून वज़ा करना.
Make, a bill or other proposal, law. Example, legislation was enacted to attract international companies. Synonyms, make law, pass, approve, ratify, validate, sanction, authorize, accept, give the seal of approval to.
Antonyms, repeal.
4. Promulgate, verb.
शाये करना, नफाज का ऐलान करना.
Promote or make widely known, an idea or cause. Example, these objectives have to be promulgated within the organization. Synonyms, make known, make public, publicize, spread, communicate, propagate, disseminate. Antonyms, collect, hide, keep quiet. 5. Camaraderie, noun.
रफाकत, दोस्ती, दोस्ताना.
Mutual trust and friendship among people who spend a lot of time together. Example, the enforced camaraderie of office life. Synonyms, friendship, comradeship, fellowship, good fellowship, companionship, brotherliness, brotherhood. Antonyms, unsociability, extroversion, unsociable, sociable. 6. Pertinent, adjective.
एन मुताबिक, ठीक.
Relevant or applicable to a particular matter, apposite. Example, she asked me a lot of very pertinent questions. Synonyms, relevant, to the point, apposite, appropriate, suitable, fitting, fit, apt. Antonyms, irrelevant, inappropriate. 7. Surreal, adjective.
غير حقيقي, غير منطقي ख्यालात.
Having the qualities of surrealism, bizarre. Example, a surreal mix of fact and fantasy. Synonyms, unreal, bizarre, unusual, weird, strange, freakish, unearthly, uncanny. Antonyms, realistic, real. 8. Scarce, adjective.
नाकाफी. कलील al-miqdar. कमी.
Especially of food, money, or some other resource, insufficient for the demand. Example, as raw materials became scarce, synthetics were developed. Synonyms, in short supply, short, scant, scanty, meager, sparse, hard to find, hard to come by. Antonyms, plentiful, abundant. 9. Fend, verb.
बगैर मदद के काम करना. बाज रखना. मौसम रोकना.
Defend oneself from a blow, attack, or attacker. Example, Meredith tried frantically to fend him off. Synonyms, ward off, head off, stave off, hold off, keep off, repel, repulse, resist.
Antonyms, encourage.
10. Dread, verb.
खौफ. फिक्रमंदी. डरना.
Anticipate with great apprehension or fear. Example, Jane was dreading the party. Synonyms, fear, be afraid of, worry about, be anxious about, have forebodings about. Antonyms, look forward to. 11. Pronouncement, noun.
रस्मी ऐलान, राय, बयान.
A formal or authoritative announcement or declaration. Example, distrust of the pronouncements of politicians was endemic. Synonyms: announcement, proclamation, declaration, formal statement, assertion, judgment.
Antonyms: concealment,
12. Fortunate, adjective.
मुबारक, खुश किस्मत, नेक नसीब.
Favored by or involving good luck, lucky. Example, she'd been fortunate to escape serious injury. Synonyms: lucky, favored, blessed, blessed with good luck, in luck, born under a lucky star.
Antonyms: unfortunate,
13. Anarchy, noun.
लाकानूनियत, इंतशार.
A state of disorder due to absence or non-recognition of authority or other controlling systems. Example, a state of lawlessness or political disorder due to the absence of governmental authority. Synonyms: lawlessness, absence of government, nihilism, mobocracy, revolution, insurrection, riot. Antonyms: government, order. 14. Pliant, adjective.
लचकदार, नर्म, मोहने के काबिल.
Easily influenced or directed, yielding. Example, a more pliant prime minister. Synonyms: compliant, biddable, docile, tractable, yielding, malleable, manageable, governable. Antonyms: inflexible, unyielding. 15. Interpret, verb.
तावील करना, मतलब निकालना.
Explain the meaning of information or actions. Example, the evidence is difficult to interpret. Synonyms: explain, elucidate, expound, explicate, clarify, make clear, make plain. Antonyms: misinterpret, misunderstand, mistake. 16. Admirer, noun.
शैदाई, सिताइश करने वाला.
A person who has a particular regard for someone or something. Example, he was a great admirer of Henry James. Synonyms: fan, enthusiast, devotee, addict, aficionado, supporter, adherent, follower, disciple. Antonyms: critic, detractor, enemy. 17. Rhetoric, noun.
शौकत अल्फाज, लिसानी, इल्म बयान.
The art of effective or persuasive speaking or writing, especially the exploitation of figures of speech and other compositional techniques. Example, he is using a common figure of rhetoric, hyperbole. Synonyms: oratory, eloquence, power of speech, command of language, expression, way with words. Antonyms: quiet, conciseness. 18. Flare, verb.
चमकना, शूला, भड़क उठना.
Burn or shine with a sudden intensity. Example, the bonfire crackled and flared up. Synonyms: blaze, flash, flare up, flame, burn unsteadily, burn violently, burn up. Antonyms: keep one's temper, remain calm. 19. Stance, noun.
मौक़िफ़, हालत, कैफियत, नुक्ता नज़र.
The way in which someone stands, especially when deliberately adopted, as in cricket, golf, and other sports, a person's posture. Example, she altered her stance, resting all her weight on one leg. Synonyms: posture, body position, pose, attitude, bearing. Antonyms: erectness, position, posture. 20. Seminal, adjective.
बुनियादी, बीच से मुताल्लिक, नुत्फ़े.
Strongly influencing later developments. Example, his seminal work on chaos theory. Synonyms: influential, formative, groundbreaking, pioneering, original, creative, innovative. Antonyms: irrelevant, unimportant. 21. Plight, noun.
खतरनाक सूरत हाल, बुरी हालत, कॉल देना.
A dangerous, difficult, or otherwise unfortunate situation. Example, we must direct our efforts towards relieving the plight of children living in poverty. Synonyms: predicament, sorry condition, sad state, trouble, difficulty, mess, dire straits. Antonyms: advantage, solution, benefit, boon. 22. Irreparable, adjective.
नाकाबिल इलाज, नाकाबिल इसला, नाकाबिल मुरम्मत.
Of an injury or loss, impossible to rectify or repair. Example, they were doing irreparable damage to my heart and lungs. Synonyms, irreversible, irremediable, unrectifiable, irrevocable, irretrievable, irredeemable, unrestorable.
Antonyms, reparable.
23. Inalienable, adjective.
नाकाबिल मुआफी, नाकाबिल इंतकाल.
Not subject to being taken away from or given away by the possessor. Example, the shareholders have the inalienable right to dismiss directors. Synonyms, inviolable, absolute, sacrosanct, unchallengeable, unassailable, untransferable, non-transferable. Antonyms, negotiable, conveyable, assignable, alienable, transferable.
24. Ancestral, adjective. Abai. Mursi. Jad amjad.
Of, belonging to, or inherited from an ancestor or ancestors. Example, the family's ancestral home. Synonyms, inherited, hereditary, familial, lineal. Antonyms, non-heritable, non-inheritable.
25. Entanglement. किसी पेचीदा चीज या मामले में उलझा हुआ.
Something that catches or holds. Synonyms, web, quagmire. Antonyms, disentangle, release. 26. Milieu, noun.
मुआशरती माहौल.
A person's social environment. Example, Gregory came from the same aristocratic milieu as Sidonius. Synonyms, environment, background, backdrop, setting, context, atmosphere, scene, location. Antonyms, no place, advantage, boon, calm, certainty. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning. Like, subscribe, share and comments.